and they were not impressed by your teaching. 16 बातें हुई हैं पिछले साल से लेके सितंबर तक. Don't give me कि alhamdulillah. Hear me out first. Out of these 16 converts, there are 6 boys, 8 girls. And they were not impressed by your teaching of Ahmadiyyat or Islam. They were not impressed by your slogan, love for all, hatred for none. They were not impressed that they have seen your successful Jalsa Salana or your contribution humanity first. They were converted because they wanted to marry each other. ये जो बातें हुई, ये शादी के लिए हुई है. मुझे पता है. मैं तो चेहरों पे पढ़ लेता हूँ. और ये बच्चे समझते हैं कि सानू पता नहीं लगना. मुझे कॉल आती है, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, like to speak to the Imam. मैं speaking. Oh, I'm very much interested in Ahmadiyyat, Islam. All right. What is the level of your understanding? Why are you interested in religion? Oh, because I came to your Jalsa and I was really very impressed and the services you do and all that. तो जब वो मुझे बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं तो मैं एक ही सवाल करता हूँ. मैं कहता हूँ, who is the girl? तो वो बड़े घबराते हैं. कहते हैं, what do you mean? और मैं कहता कमला न बाण. मैं कहता who is the girl you want to marry? तो 2-3 फिक्रों के बाद वो मान जाते हैं कि हाँ बात तो यही है. बात तो सच है मगर बात है रुसवाई की. ये कर रहे हैं बच्चे और बच्चियां भी. And I tell you one more observation. वो कहते हैं I've been in this business for a very long time. I have seen the boys converting to Ahmadiyyat for marriage. I have seen the girls converted to Ahmadiyyat to get married. They are not around. They disappear. The boys who convert to Ahmadiyyat for 1 year, they are the best Ahmadis. Much better than all of us. हर जुमे पे, हर मीटिंग ते चंदा पहला लेके आंदे ने. 1 year, right? 1 साल के लिए न्यू कन्वर्ट अहमदी जो बॉय है, 1 साल से पहले हम उसकी शादी नहीं होने देते. उसको पता होता है 1 साल वो मेरे और आप सबसे बेहतरीन अहमदी होता है. He comes and tells you, you know, I heard Huzur said this. Rabbi Sahib, here is my Chanda for Khuddam, this is my Chanda and this is my Chanda this. When is the next Ijtima? For 1 year, he is the best Ahmadi from much better than you and I. 1 year, he marries, disappears.